legend of letters, and also what does it mean, kosher and not kosher, not kosher letter. Just a minute, I will try here. For example, the very interesting Agadah about bet. Here is a bet. You know the bet, the first letter in the Torah scroll, Bereshit, bara Elokim et hashamayim v'et haaretz, v'haaretz hayta tohu vavohu, etc. And legends speak about why there a bet, the letter bet, in this form exactly. Why it's so? Because the whole of story of word creation comes from this side, from this open door of bet. Yeah? And if I would like to ask you, what was before God created the world? What was before? Have you an answer?
Tohu.
No, Tohu Vavohu, it's written already after.
Right.
Tohu Vavohu. Before Tohu Vavohu. What was before Tohu Vavohu?
Ruach Elohim.
How you know?
Merachefet al tehom.
No, it's also written here. Before Merachefet al Tehom. Before. What was?
Chaos.
How you know?
That's what we're told. That's what
Where?
they say before this, there was nothing. There was a chaos, and God created
Okay, because
Not-
before chaos.
ah,
There is no answer. You know why? Because this door is closed. It's closed for our mind, and people just, our mind is closed to understand what were before the Reshit. And this legend, so that's why the bet, the first letter in the Torah. But we have a remes, suggestion. What letter before bet?
Aleph.
Aleph. Wonderful. And Aleph, it's very interesting letter. I will. Here is Aleph. Yeah?
Yeah.
So if I just need to see the part of Aleph, I can see Yud, right? Another Yud,
Right.
and in the middle, Vav. Yeah. So twice Yud, according to geometry, it's Yud with 10, twice 10, 20, and Vav 6. 26. What is it? Well, you know what is it? 26. Yud Hey Vav Hey. It's also so Aleph. It's such a concentrated Elohut. And it's tell us, the legend tell us that before God created the world, all of universe was only Elohut. Yeah, it's also to the Kabbalistic version. Yes, Tzimtzum and etc. You know. So I'd like also to speak about one more letter that I like it so much. For example, Gimel. Gimel. I will write two Gimel, one kosher, one not kosher. Okay, and we will try to understand why it's not kosher. One of them kosher and one of them not kosher. What's the difference?
One is attached and one is attached.
let me see.
They're both attached.
No, the box
The
on
left is
the
not
lower
attached,
left
the
hand
right is
on one is
attached.
angled one way and the other way.
Okay, it's a more difficult question. So, Gimel, this one is kosher and this one doesn't kosher.
Is that's too
Why?
wide? Is it wider? That thing that leaf is wider than the other leaf.
Not exactly.
Okay.
The legs of this Gimel are standing, and this one in motion. Just
looks
are
like it's
going
walking.
to make a step.
Flying. It's
And
floating.
it's kosher. That's why Gimel must to go somewhere. We don't know. I will explain now. This kosher because Gimel is gmilut chasadim, charity.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Right.
and charity cannot stand. Charity just must to be in motion always.
Total
Yes.
fun.
Huh?
I have spoken.
Okay, so that's why Gimel kosher only that one leg is ready to make a step, next step. And where? To where? Where to? How to?
Where to.
Okay, where to? The next letter after Gimel is Dalet. Yeah? Let's try. Okay, Gimel goes to Dalet. Why? Because Dalet, the first letter of word Dal, poor.
So you have to search for
Yeah.
poor people.
So why?
Right.
The Dalet has very hard head and only one leg. Yeah, and it's very heavy to her for
Right.
just to bring some big head. And the Gimel, when the Gimel just really in motion, in charity, in the motivation for doing best, he gave her Yud to Hey, to Dalet. Yeah, we just put Yud, this Yud came to here. Yeah, and the next letter is Hey. Yeah, what does it mean? Hey, we have twice Hey in Yud Hey Vav Hey. Agada says that when our the Jewish people makes a charity to each other, they makes a God willing. Hey, they makes a hey. Gimel gives to Dalet.
Right.
His Yud. Yud also is the one of God names letter. So we make a God's willing in our word. And says this way, each letter has his own story. Very nice story. In addition, each letter is connected to the Sfirot. And it's a very huge philosophy. How does it work? I will not explain now, but you can find the very interesting literature also in English about letters. And the wisdom of Jewish letters, such kind of Dov Lerner, I think, wonderful book. So this kind of interesting thing we have. And now I just want to show you